Hello, my name is Sean Page, and this is EagleTV News. We are starting our news program with an announcement about the biggest annual event in the pharmacy world, the International PCCA Seminar that connects compounding colleagues from across the globe. The star of this event is the director and CEO of EagleAnalytical, Dr. Ross Caputo, who will be speaking on having a quality mindset. What does having a quality mindset mean for your pharmacy? How does it affect your finances and your resources? Well, that was a really great product, and this product here is even better. Right here in this pure white, snowy, sparkling box, we have something that every person in the pharmaceutical industry would just love to have. And what is that? This item here is the Surface White Sampling Kit. It is an all-in-one kit, and it does what a sampling kit does. It samples surfaces. And if you are in a laboratory or you're in the pharmaceutical compounding industry, this is an item that you would want here. So let me just get this open for you folks. So first, as you see, it comes pristinely packaged in this wonderful white box. This letter E, I don't know if that's gonna stay there or not, but that is outstanding. I love the blue. It reminds me of the sky, the green of the earth. I mean, everything is wonderful. And we haven't even got into the product yet. So let's go get right into it here. Oh, you hear that fresh opening of the package? Oh, so right off the bat, something catches my eye. They have an instruction kit in here. You get that, folks? There is an instruction kit in here. It tells you everything you need to know about surface wiping. It gives you the procedures. It tells you what directions to take the sample in. It also has, what is this? Is this what do they call that? A USB QR code scanner, folks. There is a QR code scanner. This is custom. You can't get this everywhere. So you scan this and it takes you to the video of how to do that. And look at that cute little eagle. Even the color matches. There are some good people here. So folks, right here in this premium plastic quality bag, we have a sampling tube, and oh my god, are these swabs? Are these? Look at this, swabs, folks, swabs. There are 2 swabs in here, and they're perforated, which means you can break that swab off when you're done and put it in this tube in your solution. That is just quality right there. Look at let's just open this up and see. This is beautiful coloring here. Look at that, pretty, pristine, snow white. That's great. And that's like what is that, like an aqua green? Oh my goodness, it's got writing on it. This is good stuff, folks. This is good stuff. All right, so let's get into this tube here. So you can seal this tube up by just putting the top on it, so that way your substance doesn't get out. That's pretty amazing. Here you can write on it, so you can write what the sample it is. You can see how many milliliters. Oh my goodness. 45 milliliter bottle, 45 milliliters, not 30, not 20, 45. That's pretty wonderful. What else do we have in here? Wait a minute, there's not just one set of these. There's 2, 3. Oh my goodness, you get to test 3 different sampling surfaces, not just 1, not just 2, but 3. Why hit? Was it Taleta? I think that's in Arabic. It's wonderful, folks. This is wonderful. You can use this all over the world. Wait a minute. We even have more. We have more items in here. I mean, it's like the gift that keeps on giving. What is this? This is a code pack. So after you sample your surfaces, place it in these tubes after you break off the perforated stick and drop the end with your sample on it. This helps keep it cold, folks. You receive this whole package in the mail, you do your sampling, you put it all together, you put it back in the box, a lot neater than this, and you send it back off to them. Well, you say, what if it's a light sensitive sample? You know, some samples can't deal with the light very well. Well, they also give you a protective baggie to put that in as well. The people at EagleAnalytical have thought of everything. This all-in-one kit is everything that I think you will need. Folks, I don't know what else to say with this, but it gets even better. It is not free. You do have to pay for this, but the shipping is free. That's right. free shipping. You get it, you do everything, you put it back in the same box. You don't even have to get another box, and you send that back off. And folks, in X amount of days, you get your results via EagleTracks, which is an app they created so you can see every step of the way the progress of your sample. Folks, this is good. This is the Top Shop Shopping Network. I am Guy Happy Smiley, and you are going to be very happy with this. So in the next program, we've got some more wonderful items coming to your television screen near you. Until next time. Thank you for watching EagleTV News. Please tune in next time for our next episode. But until then, have a funky day.